Hello, welcome back. I am Austin. I am the maker of Stuff, which is a new to-do list app for iPhone and iPad. For now, we've been teasing this for so long, but yeah, Mac app is coming and I'll give an update about that in this video. And I wanted to also show you some of the newest changes in version 2.2.12, which has just come out as of yesterday. So want to make sure that you know everything new in there so you can check it out. I'll post the full changelog down below so you can check out the full list of features, but I'll give a quick overview today. And then, yeah, like I said, I'll also give an update on where we're at with the Mac app and when I anticipate that that will release. And TLDR, it is very soon. So excited to tell you about that. But first, let's look at the iPad and I'll show you everything new in 2.2.12. All right, so here we are in Stuff version 2.2.12. And there's a lot to show here. If you check out the release notes, there's a ton that you're gonna see that's in here, but I'll just show you a few of the quick high-level features that I'm most excited about. So let's start with better home screen quick actions is what they're called. So if I go to the home screen here, now you can see stuff down here in the menu bar. If I press and hold it, I actually get some options here. So I can quickly just create a new task. I can open straight to the inbox. Let's see how that works. New task just opens up new task just like that. So it just makes it easier to quickly open up to some of the things and stuff that you need and right from your home screen. All right, next up we have an ad widget from the lock screen. So this was actually a feedback request that was sent in, so I really appreciate that. But now if I go to stuff right here, I can actually get a new widget on my lock screen right here that's just a plus. And now if I press that plus, it's just gonna open up stuff to adding tasks. So just a quick way to get to the add tasks within stuff right from your lock screen if you want that. Okay, next up we have really great notifications built into stuff now. So notifications were there before, but they were kind of hit or miss and some people had left feedback about that. But now all of the notifications are handled on the server, so they're a lot more reliable. So I'll show you quickly how that works. Okay, so let's say that I know I need to do this at a specific time. Let's see, it's 4:42 right now, so let's just set this for 4:44, so it's a little bit in the future, and we'll see what happens. Okay, while we're waiting for that, let me show you this as well. So you are now able to multi-select not just tasks, but any type of item within stuff. So to do that, all you have to do is go up here to select, and now I can start selecting tasks just as I could before, and I have all of these actions here. But now I can also select this list, for example. I can also select that space. I can select a bunch of different lists. So there's all kinds of things I can do here with multi-select, and this menu will automatically update based on what's available with the items that I've selected. So since I have space selected, it kind of limits me in items there. But if I deselect that space, now I can do things like set a plan, and it's gonna set a plan for the selected tasks and the selected lists. And of course, with the undo changes that were just added a couple of updates ago, I can now always just come up here and hit undo, and it'll bring everything back the way that it was if you make a mistake with your bulk editing. Okay, and we just got that notification for watering the indoor plants. And the really cool thing about this is that this will automatically sync and push across all of your devices. So if you use stuff on your iPhone and your iPad and soon your Mac, you can set a time on your Mac and then head out somewhere you need to go, and the reminder will still be sent to your iPhone without needing to open up stuff in the meantime. So that'll be a really nice feature, much more reliable notifications. If you have any issues with that, please let me know and we can look into it, but I'm really excited for you to start using that. And then in general, everything is just a lot quicker to tap around on and take actions with. So this is a push that I've been focusing on over the last few updates, just these performance updates that are just really quick to load things in. You can kind of see how that works here. And there are still some things that I want to improve here. There's still a little ways to go, but I will continue to work on that to the point that it's always snappy and fast no matter how many tasks you have. And there's a bunch more, so check out the changelog below to see all of the new features because there's a bunch. All right, so that is Stuff version 2.2.12. So as you can tell, a lot of incremental updates. There's also some little blip fixes in there. I'm really excited about the performance updates because that continues to make the app speedier. Okay, I promised that I would talk about the Mac app. So version 2.2.12 is actually one that I debated releasing or not, or like I debated if I would just release it as part of the Mac release, and that's how close we are to the Mac release. So the Mac app of Stuff is coming first week of May 2026. So that is in just about a month from the time that this video is being recorded. So really excited about that. If you would like to be a beta tester for the Mac version of Stuff, please reach out to me. The only requirement is that you do subscribe or have purchased extra stuff. So if you're on extra stuff, you can beta test the Mac app. And I would love to have you as a beta tester just so that we can make sure to work out any of final blips or things that could be smoother in that experience. But it's looking really good. And there's full undo redo support. There is a bunch of keyboard shortcuts that you can use to keep your hands on the keyboard and off the mouse. So I'm really excited about it, and it's coming along really well. So reach out to me at this email if you would like to be a part of that beta test. But that's version 2.2.12. Thanks again for being a doer as part of Stuff. I really appreciate the support, and I will be talking to you again very soon as part of the Mac app release in about a month from now. So we'll see you then. Thanks again.